Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will show you guys how you can install this game on your low end device. So even if you are using Android below 4.1 or 4.2, you can play this game. So usually whenever you guys search this game on Google Play Store, and if you are not having your and if your phone is not having good specs, then it will not show, or even if it is there, then it will show that this game is not be cannot be optimized on your device. So just all you need to do is to uh, go and download this file named hold on named Pubg from the link given below. So just go to the link and download this file named Pubg Mobile versions 4.1. Or and after downloading that file, it is of 740 MB, so go and download that file. So you will get this file, and its format is xap.xap. So many of the mobile doesn't have the software to run this type of file. So all you just need to do is to just go on the rename option and just remove the xapk file and write zip. Okay, and now you can see, now you can unzip this file. So again search for PUBG. Okay, now click on this and hold on, then click on this and click on unzip. Now it's unzipping, so wait for until this is finished. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, now once you have unzipped that file, you will get this folder. Open this and just click on this com.tencent.ig.apk and just install this game. So it will take few more seconds. So after installing this game, don't open it, just don't, because if you will open that file, you will get an error saying that can't download additional file. Maybe you have downloaded it from another source, or you doesn't have a license. So this error usually occur if you have downloaded the game not from Google Play Store and you don't have the license. So don't worry, I will show you the solution of that also. So let this install. Okay, done. Click on done. So it's done. Now open the also, just click on the Android one and OBB folder, and here you can see com.tencent.ig. Just hold this and press on the cut button and go to the your internal storage, or wherever your Android file is. Just go on Android and OBB and just paste that OBB that we have copied from the game folder to here. What happened? Okay, so let me do that again. So just open this, copy this or cut it, and just move it to the Android folder of your internal storage and OBB folder and paste it. So this will again take some more time to do. Okay, so once it is moved to the destination file folder, now you can run the game here, and this time it will run properly and you won't face any problems. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please guys subscribe to this channel. I will regularly upload videos about games, apps and other things, so wait for some times. It will take some time and your games will run smoothly. So if you guys are still facing any problem in running this game, just comment down below. I will give that I will try to solve it. And so guys, as you can see, after waiting for a few minutes, it's open and you can enjoy this game. It will download all the files and additional files. So please guys subscribe to my channel and let me know if you faced any problems. Thanks guys.